Here we go, guys.
Warning for Montgomery County in central North Carolina, Harnett County in central North Carolina, Moore County in central North Carolina, Chatham County in central North Carolina, Scotland County in central North Carolina, Lee County in central North Carolina, Richmond County in central North Carolina, until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, emergency management officials reported continued flooding due to heavy rain across the warned area. 3 to more than 8 inches of rain has already fallen in the last 12 hours. Some locations that will experience flooding include Sanford, Laurinburg, Southern Pines, Rockingham, Pittsboro, Wilmington, Troy, Carthage, Siler City, and Baton Lake. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.